Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY brush cleaner with only using one ingredient. So on that note guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification so every time I post you guys can get a notification. So guys, you're just going to need a few things. You're just going to need soap, you're going to need a glass, doesn't matter what size glass. Just know that you're going to be turning your brush inside out in this cup. And if you have a grater, you may use a grater, or if you have a potato peeler, you're more than welcome to use a potato peeler. Now what you're going to do is grate your soap. I suggest you grate half the soap and leave the other half because you don't really need that much. And with half the soap, a lot of brush cleaner comes out. So I suggest you go in with half. So guys, this is the amount of shellings that came out. I think we're going to need a bit more. So you're going to continue grating, and I think this should be sufficient. So guys, just dust out your grater, and thereafter that, take all your shellings and put it into the cup that you're going to be using. Thereafter it will look like this. Once you're done, you're just going to get some water and boil that in your kettle and wait till it's boiled. And thereafter what you're going to do is take the boiling water and put it into the cup that has got your soap shellings. Now when you're pouring the boiling water, make sure you pour enough to the top of the soap. Try your level best not to go any further. And what you're going to do is take your spoon and pat the shellings down. Try and get it as level as possible. So guys, this is what it's going to look like, and you're going to leave it like this for at least an hour or so.
Much later.
So guys, this is what it's supposed to look like when it is hardened. The soap and the water does mix together, and eventually it forms like this hardened soap. So the more water you add, the less potent it's going to be. Therefore I said add very little water. And now what you're going to do is just take it to your sink, and thereafter get yourself one of your makeup brushes, and thereafter you're going to take your makeup brush, dip it into some water, and thereafter you're going to dip it into your soap that you have just made. Make sure you get a brush that is really dirty to try it out first so you can get the excitement that I had. So guys, this is why I said make sure your cup is a little wide so that you can go round and round with your brush. So I had this bowl of water right next to me so that I could keep dipping my brush into it. So this does not happen magically. So guys, this is what my brush looks like. It's clean just after 2 washes. So what you're going to do is once you're done, just rinse the soap off from the cup